Well, more troubles for communities all around Western Washington, including in Auburn, where I'm at today. Yeah, just a tremendous amount of water over the roadway here and in that field behind here at South 277th and Auburn Way North. And it's led to evacuations of about 1,000 people as of yesterday. And this is that chevron that's right over here. And we're now getting word that there could be flash flood warnings that have been issued. And so we're going to be monitoring all this today as people try to get through the worst of this with some crazy detours and backups and some roads that are just not safe to pass whatsoever.